English Easy Practice. Do you want to speak English more confidently? Do you want to understand real English used in daily life? Then you are in the right place. Welcome to VibeEnglish Podcast. In today's English practice lesson, you will listen to a natural conversation, learn useful vocabulary, and practice speaking step by step. This lesson is simple, practical, and very effective. If you practice with me every day, your English will improve naturally. Let's start practicing English together. This lesson has 4 parts. Part 1, listening practice. Part 2, vocabulary. Part 3, listen and answer. Part 4, shadowing practice. Are you ready?
Part 1. English Listening Practice. In the first part, you'll listen to a conversation between native English speakers. Try to focus on the meaning of the conversation when you listen to it. This will help you understand real-life conversations better. Packing for a trip.
Did you start packing yet?
Not really. I keep telling myself I'll do it later.
That's what you said last time, and you forgot half your stuff.
Okay. I learned my lesson. I'm packing right now.
What are you bringing?
Clothes, charger, toiletries, the basics.
Don't forget your passport.
Trust me, that's the first thing I packed.
Good. Are you bringing a jacket?
I wasn't planning to. Do you think I need one?
Yes. It gets cold at night.
All right, I'll throw one in.
How about shoes?
Just one pair? I don't want to overpack.
You always say that, but your bag is still huge.
Hey, I like being prepared.
Fair enough. As long as we don't miss our flight.
Don't worry. This trip is going to be great. Part 2. Learn vocabulary. Now, let's learn some useful words from the conversation. These are common expressions Americans use when cleaning their homes. Pack light. Meaning, bring only a few necessary things. Examples. I always try to pack light for short trips. It's easier to travel when you pack light. She packed light so she could move faster. Essentials. Meaning, the most important things you need. Examples. Don't forget the essentials like your passport. I packed the essentials first. Phone chargers are travel essentials. Overpack? Meaning, bring too many things you don't need. Examples. I always overpack and regret it later. Try not to overpack for this trip. He overpacked for a weekend trip. Carry on. Meaning, a small bag you take onto the plane. Examples: I keep my valuables in my carry-on. This bag is small enough for a carry-on. Don't put liquids in your carry-on. Double check. Meaning, check again to make sure everything is correct. Examples: double check your bag before leaving. I always double check my passport. She double checked the packing list.
I want to remind you something, guys. Repetition is very important to become fluent in English. So, watch this video many times. Try to answer the questions out loud, and you will improve your speaking skills quickly.
Part 3. Listen and answer practice. Time for some interactive practice. Listen carefully to the questions I ask about the conversation. Try to answer them out loud before I reveal the correct answers. This will boost your speaking and listening skills. Repeat this exercise every day until you can say the answers quickly and confidently. Answer the questions out loud. Are they getting ready for a trip? Yes, they are. Is one of them worried about packing too much? Yes, one of them is. Are they packing at the last minute? Yes, they are. What room are they packing in? They're packing in the bedroom. What do they want to avoid when packing? They want to avoid overpacking.
You've done a great job. Keep practicing like this regularly. You'll get better step by step.
Part 4. Shadowing practice. Finally, let's do shadowing together. Repeat each line after the speakers. Try to copy their rhythm, intonation, and pronunciation. This will help you sound more natural and confident.
Did you start packing yet?
Not really. I keep telling myself I'll do it later.
That's what you said last time, and you forgot half your stuff.
Okay. I learned my lesson. I'm packing right now.
What are you bringing?
Clothes, charger, toiletries, the basics.
Don't forget your passport.
Trust me, that's the first thing I packed.
Good. Are you bringing a jacket?
I wasn't planning to. Do you think I need one?
Yes, it gets cold at night. How about shoes? You always say that, but your bag is still huge. Fair enough. As long as we don't miss our flight.
Not really. I keep telling myself I'll do it later. Okay, okay. I learned my lesson. I'm packing right now. Clothes, charger, toiletries, the basics. Trust me, that's the first thing I packed. I wasn't planning to. Do you think I need one? All right, I'll throw one in. Just one pair? I don't want to overpack. Hey, I like being prepared. Don't worry. This trip is going to be great. Well done. You completed all 4 parts of today's English practice. Keep watching this video every day for 1 week. The more you repeat, the more fluent you will become. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more English practice videos. Keep learning, keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye for now. Thanks for watching, guys.